Welcome to the Robotics, AI, and Automation Certification course offered by Baroda Institute of Technology. This program is designed to help you learn, build, deploy, and automate using cutting-edge technologies. We offer 2 levels of certification: Foundation, focused on robotics, coding, and AI over 3 to 4 months, and Advanced, covering robotics, AI, IoT, and automation over 5 to 6 months. Our course is developed in collaboration with leading organizations for a comprehensive learning pathway. This video outlines the entire program structure, taking you from a beginner to a professional. The learning pathway includes Foundation, Advanced Certification, a capstone and specialization project phase, leading to career launch opportunities like internships and placements. The course is suitable for students, early professionals, hobbyists, and makers. Learning utilizes hands-on labs and mentor-led classes with 24/7 LMS access. The technology stack includes Python, Arduino, TensorFlow, ESP32, OpenCV, and more. Program outcomes focus on building working robots, AI models, IoT systems, and a professional project portfolio. The Foundation certification includes 6 modules designed to build a strong technological base. Modules cover computer and digital tech fundamentals, computational thinking and algorithms, block-based coding and programming, robotics fundamentals, introduction to artificial intelligence, and robotics programming and control. The curriculum integrates core concepts and logic building to prepare you for hands-on application. In the Foundation projects, you will engage in hands-on builds, applying coding logic and sensor integration to create autonomous robots. Key projects include a line-following robot utilizing IR sensors and motor control, an obstacle-avoiding robot with ultrasonic sensors for decision-making, and a voice-controlled robot incorporating speech recognition and app integration for wireless navigation. The Advanced Certification modules Level 2 offer specialized curriculum for mastering robotics, AI, IoT, and automation engineering. The 6 modules delve into Python programming for robotics, data science basics, computer vision, machine learning, robotics engineering, and the Internet of Things, or IoT. Key concepts range from Python syntax to IoT architecture, deep learning, and advanced sensor integration. Advanced capstone projects involve integrating AI, IoT, and autonomy. You will work on industry-grade projects like a face recognition system using OpenCV and Python, a smart home automation ecosystem connecting appliances to the cloud via 32 Spanish pesetas, and a self-driving car prototype utilizing deep learning and neural networks for autonomy. Robotics and AI offer vast career opportunities in India, as shown in the annual salary trends. Key job roles include robotics engineer, AI/ML engineer, IoT developer, data scientist, and embedded systems developer. Top hiring industries span manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, smart cities, space and defense, and logistics. Graduates can achieve a strong portfolio, internships, and placement assistance. Ready to build the future? Secure your spot at Baroda Institute of Technology. The program is offered through on-campus labs with state-of-the-art hardware and testing grounds, and hybrid learning, providing 24/7 LMS access and live mentor-led coding sessions. Admissions are open. Contact the admissions helpline at 93289-94901 or visit our website at www.bitbaroda.com. Choose a schedule that fits your lifestyle with upcoming weekend and evening batches.